magnet is when a bar magnet is suspended freely, its two poles point equivalently towards the geographical and north and south poles. The pole of the bar magnet which points towards and the geographical north is called the north-seeking pole, and the other which points towards geographical south is called south-seeking pole. Activity 4. Ma'am, can I read activity 4?
Stop. Kasyap Kriti. Kasyap. Read it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The north and south pole of bar magnet.
Yes.
When a bar magnet is suspended freely, its two poles point towards the geographical north and south poles. The pole of a bar magnet which points toward the geographical north is called the north-seeking pole, and the other which point toward the geographical south is south-seeking pole.
Others. Next. Read it.
Yes, ma'am. Activity 4.
Activity 4.
Activity 4. Tie the center of a bar magnetic needle tie one end of the string with a strand and let the bar magnet hang free from the other the string. When it comes to rest, ask yourself to draw a line on indicating direction. The identification. Put a mark on one end of this line. Now displace the bar magnet from the resting point. What you observe? The magnet again comes to rest along this direction.
रीडिंग कर रहा है, कहाँ रीडिंग कर रहा है? हाथ रखो ना। यहाँ पर रीडिंग कर रहा है, एक ही सब रीडिंग कर रहा है भाई। मैम कहें
Hare Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. After that.
Ma'am, what happened when we turn the bar magnet around to face and the opposite direction? The bar magnet rotates or it's in turn to again point in the same direction. We can say that the freely suspended bar magnet always point in one particular direction.
Ayush. Read after that.
Interaction between bar magnet. Let us place a bar magnet near one end of a large table. If we place another bar magnet at the opposite end of the table, what do you observe? Both the magnets remain stationary. At a large distance, the force that they exert on each other is almost zero. Now let us move one of the bar towards the other bar magnet in such a way as to make their unlike poles face each other. The magnets are seen to experience a pull towards each other. Thus, two magnets kept close by with their unlike poles facing each other are seen to attract each other.
Stop. Suhani.
Ma'am, may I?
Like.
Ma'am, may I?
May I, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, Shreya Singh.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am, Utkarsh?
Can I read Sachin Kumar?
Ma'am, can I read?
No one will say, can I? I'm not listening. Can I? May I? These things kill time.
क्लास में सुबह घर से निकला था पर शाम को उसे खाली हाथ ही लौटना पड़ा।
प्रीत प्रत्यय अच्छा, तुम लोग 5 मिनट पहले रेडी नहीं रहते हो क्लास में ज्वाइन करने के लिए?
मैम
मैम
ये
10
मैम
मिनट
ये
पहले
भी
से
हो
रेडी
सकता है,
रहते
मैं
हैं।
नौकरी की तलाश में सुबह घर से को मुझे खाली हाथ नहीं लौटना पड़ा। कश्यप मैम कश्यप।
All of you must mute your mic. Mute your mic. If a magnet is taken and it is freely suspended by tying up a thread. Just wait, I'm taking out. I have thread. Just wait. कैसा भी थ्रेड दो, थ्रेड रस्सी लटकाने के लिए। Just see, if a magnet is freely suspended with tying up with thread, it just I got it. I got thread. If a magnet is taken and it is tied up with the thread and it is freely suspended in this way. So bar magnet always stay in two directions, that is south and north direction. Only in two directions. I have taken only pencil, that's why it is not staying in the south and north direction. In my hand it is pencil, not magnet. But if you will taking magnet, then magnet will stay in only south and north direction. The pole, you have magnet. Give me. And give me. The pole of the magnet which remains in the north direction is called north pole of magnet. And the pole of the magnet which remains in the south direction is called south pole. The pole which remains in north direction, geographical north direction, is called north pole. And the pole which stay in geographical south direction is called south pole. So all the magnet having two poles, south poles and north pole. What happens when the bar magnet is cut into two pieces? Yes. Who will answer? If I'm cutting the bar magnet in two pieces, still it have two pole or not? Anmol? Have it two pole or not? Jaya Bharti? Jaya? Oh, just wait. I'm unmuting. Just. You can unmute yourself.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
Yes,
मैम अगर बार मैग्नेट 2 पीस में कर दिया जाए तो मैम
Couple poles as well, ma'am.
Shreya, Shreya, I'm calling Shreya. How many Shreya are here?
Legendary gun box.
Rest of you,
Yes,
stop. Wow.
it has. Yes, ma'am.
Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
if I'm cutting the bar magnet into 2 pieces, after cutting, whether the pieces having 2 poles or 1 pole,
Ma'am, they will have 2 poles.
they will have 2 pole.
2 poles.
Each piece of magnet or only 1 piece? Each piece.
Ma'am.
Albina?
Yes, ma'am.
Each piece having 2 poles or only one piece of magnet having 2?
Ma'am, both the magnets have 2 points. 2 points.
Very good. Both the pieces of a magnet having 2 poles, its own 2 poles. It doesn't matter how much smaller is the piece of magnet. If the magnet is cut into pieces, it will have 2 poles. The pole which remains in the south direction, geographical south direction, is called south pole, and the pole which remains in the geographical north direction is called north pole. Clear?
North pole.
Clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Activity have given in your book, activity 4. In this activity, a magnet is taken and it is tied up with a thread. I'm tying up with the thread, and after tying up, the magnet is allowed to suspend through a stand. It has been tied, and now a magnet is freely suspended. Huh? And you
क्या काम नहीं होगा
Ananya, I told you will keep eyes who is making this type of sound, unwanted sound. Others, you will also. You will note down from whose mic this type of sound is coming. I will not allow those type of a student in my class from next day.
मैम ये आवाज राहुल लेकिन मैक से आया था।
Rahul?
मैम राहुल के माइक से ये वॉइस आ रहा था
राहुल
मैम।
राहुल से
Rahul.
मैं मेरे में
Rahul, which class?
राहुल कुमार नाम।
Which class?
मैम सेक्शन नहीं लिखा हुआ मैम, बस मैम राहुल
हाँ।
कुमार नाम लिखा हुआ है।
He is most of the
था
sixth. No, there is no Rahul in 6C. I'm knowing all of you. Rahul is
Yes,
not
ma'am,
present in 6C. And the student
Yes, ma'am.
of 6
Class 6C.
Class 6C and D.
नेम
Not
राहुल 6A था।
A था। हाँ,
मैम 6E कब था मैम?
ई का।
मैम 6E में एक राहुल है।
ठीक है,
यस मैम
ठीक
6E
है, ठीक है। आफ्टर क्लास आई विल कॉल राहुल, है ना, राहुल पेरेंट्स।
मैम मेरे माइक से आवाज नहीं आ रहा था।
Come in front, Rahul. Open your video. Where is you, Rahul?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
Show your video.
मेरे में से नहीं आ रहा।
तुम्हारे में से आया था कि नहीं आया था, पहले तुम अपना वीडियो ऑन करो।
मैम वीडियो ऑन है।
तुम श्योर हो कि तुम्हारे माइक से ऐसा वर्ड आवाज नहीं आया? तुम श्योर हो?
यस मैम।
श्योर?
यस मैम।
ठीक। So after class, I will watch whether the sound is coming from your mic or other student mic.
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग से पता चल जाएगा मैम।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
यस मैम।
Now come to the point. Activity 4. A magnet is taken and it is tied up with the thread and it is allowed to freely suspended with a stand. When it is freely suspended in a stand, you must mark the direction on the floor. You bring call a friend for doing so. You suspend the magnet and tell your friend to draw the direction of the magnet in which direction the magnet is standing. You will see the magnet stand in south and north direction. Again, you move the magnet, and when the magnet will stop, again you see the direction of the magnet. It will always remains in the south and north direction. This shows that a bar magnet having two poles and one pole remains in the north direction and other poles remains in the south direction. The pole which remains in the south direction is called south pole and the pole which remains in the north direction is called north pole. Means bar magnet having two poles and these two poles stay in two other geographical direction, north direction and south direction. And the pole which remains in the south direction, once again the magnetic pole which remains in the south direction is called south pole and the magnet's pole which remains in the north direction is called north pole. बार मैग्नेट का जो पोल साउथ डायरेक्शन में स्टे करता है उसको हम कहते हैं साउथ पोल एंड द पोल ऑफ द बार मैग्नेट which remains in the north direction उसको क्या कहते हैं ईशानी? नॉर्थ पोल, है ना? बार मैग्नेट ऑलवेज हैविंग टू पोल्स, साउथ पोल एंड नॉर्थ पोल. Next, interaction between the two magnets. Interaction means reaction, how they react with each other. how the two magnets react with each other. So for this, there is an activity. What activity? A magnet is taken. Magnet is taken on the table, at the top of the table. Suppose that it is stable. It is top of the table. I'm placing one magnet. This is the, suppose that this is the bar magnet. I'm placing on the top of the table. It is visible to all of you? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One magnet is placed
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the top of the table, and another magnet is brought near the magnet which is placed on the table and facing opposite pole. North pole of the magnet, north pole of the first magnet facing to south pole of the second magnet. We will see the both of the magnetic pole attract each other. है ना? Both of the magnetic pole attract to each other. Once again, a bar magnet is taken and it is placed on the table, and then another bar magnet is brought near the placed bar magnet, and these magnets facing opposite pole with each other. ये मैग्नेट जो है दोनों अपोजिट पोल, अगर वो फर्स्ट का साउथ पोल तो दूसरे का क्या, कौन सा पोल? नॉर्थ पोल, है ना? both the magnet facing opposite pole. We will see the attraction takes place between the two bar magnet, two opposite pole of a bar magnet. They stick to each other. Now, if we reverse the order, first magnet is placed already on the table top, and we bring the second magnet with the first magnet, and they facing the same pole, either south pole or the south pole of the next magnet facing to each other. You will see that there is repulsion. They move away from each other. Why they moving away from each other? There is repulsion, repulsive force.
Because the
because the repulsive force act between them, or repulsive force, destructive force, just opposite to attractive force, that is known as repulsive force. A repulsive force act between them and they move away from each other. So by this interaction, we came to know that if the two bar magnet facing opposite pole with each other, attraction
मैम आपका
takes place.
साउंड बार बार कट के आ रहा है।
क्या हो रहा था? क्या?
मैम बार बार साउंड आपका कट जा रहा है।
अच्छा, कट जा रहा है तो वीडियो देख लेना ना, वीडियो में तो आएगा ना कंप्लीट। आज थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, वो इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। तो what conclusion we draw from the this activity? When the opposite pole of two bar magnets face to each other, they attract to each other. But what happened? When the same pole of the two bar magnet face each other, they move away from each other because repulsive force act between them. Repulsion takes place between the same pole of the magnet. If suppose that I have a pen and pencil combination, and suppose that it is the bar magnet, and the black colors showing South Pole, and the green color showing North Pole.
North Pole.
And suppose that it is the North Pole, pointed structure of the pencil, North Pole, and it is South Pole. And when it is South Pole, pointed is what? Jaya, pointed structure, suppose karna hai. We have to suppose only. I have no bar magnet. So if it is, suppose that the pointed structure is the South Pole. Pointed structure is the South Pole. So when the South Pole facing each other, they move away from each other due to repulsion. But when we take the pole in opposite direction, North Pole of one magnet facing to the South Pole of another magnet, attraction takes place. Means between the South Pole, repulsion, between the North Pole, repulsion, but between the South and North Pole, attraction takes place. Shreya Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, why your hand moving in this way? What is the matter? Shreya Singh,
Actually, I'm doing my class.
actually, what? Shreya, if you want to answering, you just raise your hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, another activity have given in your book, or all of you must concentrate on that. One bar magnet is taken and it is freely suspended through the stand. And another bar magnet is brought near the freely suspended magnet. If two magnets face the same pole, they move away from each other because repulsion takes place. If the North Pole of suspended bar magnet face the North Pole of free-moving magnet, they move away from each other because repulsion takes place between the same pole. But what happens when we keep the one magnet just opposite to the pole of the freely suspended magnet? If it is the South Pole, then the North Pole of the another magnet brought near to each other, what happened? They move towards each other due to attraction. Attraction takes place, and that's why they move towards each other. They stick to each other. One playing magnet I have seen in the class. Playing magnets. How if the opposite direction, if the opposite pole of the magnet face to each other, how a peculiar sound is come from the magnet. And now, all of you have seen now one playing magnet. Now you have.
Yes.
Any
Yes,
one
ma'am.
of you have this type of magnet? Have you?
Ma'am, which type of magnet?
Oh, two magnet playing
No, ma'am,
magnet.
I'm not right.
Ma'am,
But tomorrow you should have. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, bar magnet.
Huh, bar magnet or playing magnet.
Okay, ma'am.
It is easily available in the cosmetic shop or
Okay, ma'am.
toy shop.
Okay, ma'am. I will buy.
Whose house is near by the market can buy it. Huh? Who is living nearby the market?
Ma'am, me.
Me.
Ma'am, me.
Ah,
Ma'am,
Nitya.
Shreya Singh.
Acha.
Ma'am,
Or
Anmol Kumar, ma'am.
if it is possible, you will buy from the market. and you will show me tomorrow. हाँ?
मैम 15 रुपीज का देता है मैम। मैम मेरे पास था मैम पहले मैम 2।
अच्छा ठीक है, 15 का देता है तो ये अच्छी बात है ना कि एकदम सस्ता ही में चीपली अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, ठीक है ना? ये
यस मैम।
हाँ
मैम वो जल्दी टूट जाता है पर।
हाँ, जल्दी टूट जाता है पर वो टाइम वो अच्छे क्वालिटी से के मटेरियल से नहीं बना है। हाँ
ओके मैम।
हाँ, चलिए नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी 5। Who will read? Just wait. Can I? I'm not able to listen this sound. Can I? All of you are knowing. Just wait.
Ma'am, may I?
No. Hare Krishna. Once time you have read. Pratik Raj. No. Pragya.
मैम कैन आई रीड?
Ma'am, can I read?
मैम कैन आई रीड?
Sakshi, read it. Sakshi, read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Activity 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Activity 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Just read it.
Let us now keep 2 bar magnets under a transparent paper that has iron fillings spring. Let the light poles of the bar magnets face each other. What happens? The iron fillings between the bar magnets appear to be pushing away from each other. Let us now change the position of the second bar magnet so that the unlike poles face each other. What do we observe? The iron fillings between the bar magnets appear to each other. Can you explain why it is so?
Stop. Activity 5. Just all of you listen. In activity 5, 2 bar magnet is taken and they are facing the same pole with each other. Suppose that it is the north pole of one magnet and it is the north pole of another magnet. And a transparent sheet is taken for covering the magnet. After covering with the plastic sheet, some iron fillings are sprinkled on the magnet. We will see the structure of the iron filling that get rearranged or around the magnet. They are moving away from each other. All the fillings are moving away from each other. Rearrangement of iron fillings. So there is repulsive force acting between the both of the magnet. That's why the rearrangement of iron fillings in such a way that they are moving away from each other, and you will see there is nothing between that at the just between the point of the two magnets. No iron filling stick to the stick between the.
हम आपकी आवाज बहुत एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
हाँ बोलिए।
मैम आपकी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा कट कट के आ रही है।
आवाज ज्यादा कट कट के आ रही है आज।
कट कट के आ रही है।
देखो हम
नेट
आपकी आवाज बहुत
कट कट के आ रही है ना। अब देखो नेट का प्रॉब्लम हो गया है आज। अब बोलो। Now
यस मैम अब ठीक से
Now this time your voice is clear.
Listen once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen once again. I'm representing this activity. A magnet is placed on the table. Another magnet is also placed on the table, and the both magnets facing the same pole. If the north pole of first magnet, then it is also north pole of the second magnet. Again, what happened?